Let's get big. Let's get big. Let's get big. She prettier than me. Man, that she prettier than me. Man, that she. I'm on that light skin energy right now, bro. When you know the title, you got it. About to share how to Jaykatana. Jaykatana, not Katana. Fuck out of here. Jaykatana, boys. The shy young Jaykatana. No young tutorial how to do this shit. Let's get it. You just need to get like a dark sound, bro. Like something dark. Yo. Perfect. I think it's too high, bro. I don't know how to. I want it to be like. Yeah. It's a bit out. Yo, this sounds so pop, yo. Yeah, like this is genuine chat, the most important part, because you have to make sure that your foundation is good, bro. That's what I'm spending like mad time in. Oh, BS, bro. Imagine, dog, I'm literally cooking bro for a whole hour, and then I realized, like, while I'm like about to edit, it stopped recording the screen. It literally stopped recording the screen when I was like doing the first melody. So I have to like show you guys. Basically I have to show you now how I did it. But I'm gonna give the FLP just to make it up. Link in the description. I'm gonna give the FLP. See, nobody does that though. Like, think about it. They never do that. Like, I'm gonna give you everything. I use stock, 100% stock. I didn't put fresh air on the master. Who does that? That's weird, bro. Why would you do that? It's not free. But if you need fresh air, hit me up on IG. Shay_X somewhere here. If you need the fresh air, I'll show you ways to get it. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'ma just explain super fast, bro. Melody, simple melody. It's just this, basically. Simple chords, bro. I just put EQ on it, reverb, delay, and the blue from last episode. And then this one is like a preset from GMS with special effects, EBOM. Yeah, special effects, EBOM. Am I allowed to say EBOM on YouTube? Is it TOS? Am I cooked? Am I genuinely cooked, bro? And yeah, this just sounded like this. Absolutely crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. And effects, put it down. Literally the same effect chamber. I think it's also GMX, if not it's Sour. Yeah, it's Sour. I generally just put a random preset, bro. I'm gonna keep it about with you. I have no idea which preset this is. Something, bro. It's exactly the same effects, bro. Like, you don't gotta do too much, bro. Sounds are crazy as like if you already have crazy sounds, you don't have to do that much on the effects side. And there's this. Oh, it's off. I just put mad effects on them. You know, I just wanted to be like, initially I wanted it to be like a transition thingy back and forth, but then I just used it as like one shot. This. Like, and you see how rare it is, like 3 times in the whole track. That's how rare it is. Let's hear the full melody. And for the drums, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. It's like a science to it, bro. It's just all about groove, dog. Let me show you. First, clap. Okay, is this a clap? C1. Alright, and then here's something that's gonna complement it. Like this is what I told you. Build on the groove with the other one. Okay. Okay, and then this builds on that accent. See, it builds on that, and then this is obviously just a layer of that half. Just adds a bit of texture to it. Nothing too crazy. Now it's time for the 808s. It's time for the 808s. It's probably like one of the most important pieces of these type of pieces, where the 808s have to be busting, slapping. So these, you know, see, and they just repeats. Those have to be mad simple, bro. Gen and chat, and then this is just the accent. And that's just like for accents and stuff like that. That's pretty much it for the 808s. The first part doesn't happen, but the second part does happen. And as always, I'm going to play the beat and then my tab, obviously.
Jay, you crazy.
Yes, I am. Yes. This beat slaps, bro. Sensational. Yeah, dude, Katana, dog. Katana obviously he's like mad variety. Okay, he has mad. I'm telling you, bro, I'm trying to record a freaking video. It does not want me to record. I'll break it down for you. I'll ski out the FOB. Hit me up on IG, Shay_X. I'll West, and I'll give you ways for you to make money to get a certain plugin. Oh fuck, why did I wink? But yeah. GG's Gate, Jaykatana. Solid project. I fuck with it. Some bangers, some misses, be like that. But yeah, GG's. I'll see you, gents. Yeah.
Jay, you crazy.